much faster because, first of all, we know more what we're doing. We've made all the bolts. We've had a lot of the parts sandblasted, the equalizer bars, for instance, and all that. It's all been sandblasted and put back together. The transoms have been replaced, and the stuff with the spring planks. So this will go much faster. But again, we're still not quite ready to put it together yet. What we probably should do is get it all together and then take it out and cover it up. Now you have shown the wheels and axles that we can say about this too. These are the wheel and axle sets for Locomotive 100. On the end of each one, on both ends, you have what they call a journal bearing. The journal bearings were in pretty good shape, but the babbiting, the lining material was all gone. So we've had those rebabbited, and then now we're going all the way down to Machias, Maine to be machined, because our machinist knows somebody down there that's figured out how to do it. Between the axles, you have these bearing surfaces on which the motors sit. Now what's on there now is equivalent to the old Cosmoline that they used in the Army for weapons that they wanted to leave outside in the weather. This is a polished surface which we don't want to get rusty. So we put that material on there, and then we'll clean it all off when we finally put everything together. The wheels are in fair condition. I think we can see better from the side. They have a good wide tread. The flanges are reasonably good, but the tread has been worn down, so there isn't much left. Now, it might take us another 500 years to wear this down the rest of the way, so we figured we would keep them. Plus, these have a kind of an interesting spoke pattern cast into them, so we thought that was historic, and there's no way you could get them like that. You can see it on the back of the other one. Now, I don't know whether this will show or not. Yeah, it can. If you show them right at the end of that, you want to turn it 90 degrees. Notice this says YUCO, and then the number is the serial number. So this is York Utilities Company, and this was last turned on August 8th, 1927. Now one of these, and we may have too much grease on it, this one, it's awfully hard to see, but it says ASL Railway, Atlantic Shoreline Railway. This was probably done just before the others, but this is the original. Well, no, actually, this is not original. This is the oldest set that we have. The original ones were what they call spoked wheels, and this area would have been open, and they were replaced long, long, long ago.